Hey guys, welcome back to another hair review, and we're gonna get it done. Anyway, thank you to Ashimaryhair for sponsoring today's video. Beautiful box. Anytime you see this box, you know which hair company it is. And boom, voila, we got the wig inside. We got all the goodies, you know. You have a packet right here, wig cap, and of course they always send us a robe. Should we put on our robe? Alright, let's see if we should put the robe on over our clothes so it's showing and we're glowing. So this is the robe. Let's slip it on like a coat in the doctor's office. Alright, so we got a wig, a bonnet. I believe this is a bonnet from them. And then all the goodies are in this. Edge brush. Oh, I got some makeup stuff. Edge band. Some tape if you want to do glueless, some earpins, oh, lashes, wig cap. This company go all out. Everything is in their name, even the bag. And then you have a pocket. If you guys don't know how to carry your wig, definitely they'll help you out with that because it's right in here. Now as for me, let's put on a wig cap. This seems super thin. Hopefully it is. So we can use this one. A little bit of makeup, then we're gonna go into the wig. It's 14 inches Yaki straight. Oh, they have a tag. Oops. Oops. So we can bust it open. Alright, these are combs that can actually be removed. So this is how the wig look. It's pre-cut, pre-bleached. The lace is pre-bleached and you guys can see that. Oh my god, yes. And then the wig have highlights. I love this. It's 14 inches with highlights in it and it's Yaki straight. And then you have the adjustable band, which we're gonna fix. I actually want to go in and cut around the edges of the lace. I know they already pre-cut it, but I like to, there's just a little bit more edging on it that I like to cut off. Just my preference. It's real easy, so if you're the one to install your wig and you're a beginner, it's gonna be super easy for you as well. Just have to take your time and zigzag with the scissors. Alright, I'm gonna go in and add a little bit more makeup to the lace, just to the front part of the lace. Most of the time that's all is needed if the wig is pre-bleach. So it's real simple to add. You cannot make any mistake as long as it's a shade that matches your skin tone. There's no mistake to be made, okay? We're gonna put on the wig with the adjustable band and see how it fits. Everything is on. There's comb on each side too of the wig right here, and they're removable. And there's one over this side as well, and one at the back. I showed you guys the one at the back already. Oops, this one came off.
back. You got everybody thinking I'm all bad. You know the truth. I was always holding you down. You down. Baby, ain't what it seems for this girl. What is love?
Alright guys, this is what we have so far with the side part. We're definitely gonna cut this down. I want to keep this behind my ear like this, but the only thing is I should have cut the hair off my head. So we're gonna get into that. Nevertheless, we're gonna cut it down. I'm gonna start with this side.
What is love? You believe it if I told you all about it. About pressure, just keep adding up. Then we just be mad and fuck. We was living fast and fuck. Just don't get me high enough. All these people always lying.
Alright guys, we cut the hair. No around the back. It's probably a little bit uneven, but it's gonna work. We are now gonna do a little bit of baby hair. I feel like, yeah.
My sunset, reality is turned off. Who the fuck knows? I just make songs. Who am I to silence how this shit goes? That's sarcasm, by the way.
You wanna be my hero. You won't even do the hell. Oh, this shit don't add up. You don't even know the math.
Oh, classy. There we go. I'm gonna do my makeup and I'll be back. We need to check on the back to make sure everything is good, but other than that, it's giving work vibe, you know. It's giving that. Yeah, and I like that this part is behind my ear. So I'm gonna tie down the lace and I'm gonna do my makeup. I'm gonna do a little something on the face just to complete the look, and I will be back. Stay tuned. I'm trying so hard not to do over this part because I had it up. Anyway guys, we are done with the wig. Yeah, very cutesy. Oh yes, work class Chrissy. Listen, I have some hair on me because I was trying to save time because it's very late right now. But Ashimary, come here. You see that, guys? If you're looking for a bob, I guess this is it. Now it do come center already if you want a center part, but I don't know, I've been feeling side part, and I feel like when you see the wigs with center part, people just typically like go with center part. So sideways Chrissy. I love the hair. As you guys saw, I cut it on my head, so it was not easy, but it was not that difficult either. And it's Yaki straight, 14 inches. So if you guys want to go lower, you can do a 12-inch. This is 14-inch, and it works perfect because we did go and cut it down. I guess they gave us enough room just in case we wanted to wear it at a longer length, but I love it. It was super easy to install. All we did was spray the bun on it and the holding spray. And yeah, so thank you to Ashimaryhair. This is the final look with the color in it. It is gorgeous. And we are gonna get into it. So guys, make sure you guys check the description below. All the details will be there. Their website will be there as well, so you guys can check it out if you are interested in another wig. This is it. see you guys. Okay.
Even when I'm sick